Hi, I'm Beena from Learn for a Lifetime. Words comes with letter F. Fox, fire, fan. They all start with sing sound. Can you think? How to make letter F sound? Watch me carefully. Put your upper teeth above lower lips like this. Yes, upper teeth above lower lips. And air came out. You try. You try. Well done. In Jolly Phonics, the action we'll use for letter F is put your hands together and came together like this very gently. Yes. Okay, can you find some other words that starts with sound? Take your time. I found 3 words. I will share you. Feet, flower, 5. At last, I will give you one challenge. Can you find in this picture 2 F sound? Take your time and find out 2 F sound. Yes, well done. So today's letter is finished now. See you next video. Till then, goodbye and do subscribe our channel. Learn